Dear learners, now we have seen that what is inventory, what are the types of inventory, and what is the definition of inventory management. Now inventory management is a complex area. It includes multiple activities. So we will see what are the key activities or core activities that are part of inventory management. The specific activities that are carried out in inventory management will vary depending on the type of business and the type of product which is being sold by a company. However, all businesses need to perform some combination of these activities in order to effectively manage the inventory. So, what does fall into inventory management? Let's see multiple activities. So we have categorized 9 major activities that are performed in inventory management. So the first activity is planning for inventory replenishment. So in this activity, it is ensured that inventory orders are placed on supplier or planned for production at the right time. The second activity is inventory assortment. In this activity, it is defined to understand which inventory should be made to stock and which inventory should be made to order. The third activity is to define levels of inventory. In this activity, inventory levels are defined which needs to be stocked. So there are several models which are used to understand how much should be stocked and which inventory should be stocked. So several models are like safety stock model, min-max model, reorder point and reorder quantity model, economic order quantity model, or even a Kanban model. The fourth activity includes selective inventory controls. So in this activity, there are few inventory control methods which usually help to control inventory in a better way. Certain methods include ABC analysis, HML analysis, XYZ analysis, and many more. So we will see that in detail in our next lessons. The fifth activity is to maintain inventory transactions. So in a business, it is important to maintain the right transactions at right time in ERP systems and business tools. Such transaction may include inventory receipts, inventory movement, or inventory sold, or inventory used for assembly or manufacturing. So there are many transactions which needs to be kept in the ERP system or business tools for the accurate planning. The sixth activity in inventory management is to analyze excess and obsolete inventory. This is analyzed to take necessary actions to control the excess and obsolete inventory proactively as well as reactively. The seventh activity includes to review and publish inventory metrics in which inventory performance is measured and certain actions are taken on the areas where performance is not on the track. So in our next lessons, we will talk about different inventory performance metrics. The eighth activity includes to support in a cycle counting of inventory. So cycle counting is nothing but it is physical check of inventory to count inventory physically and to compare the quantity that is counted with the system quantity and to make necessary adjustment where there are errors. The ninth activity includes to support inventory forecasting so that in a future period the planning of space, the planning of capacity can be done efficiently and in advance. So all these 9 activities are the core activities of inventory planner, and these activities forms a entire bucket of inventory management and control.